Hello, good evening. Today myself Harshvardhan C from the CSE department, and with my in a group there is a Harshvardhan R. He is also from CSE department. Today we are here to discuss about a brainstorming topic on the global warming. I will be explaining about the solution and the problems. So let's start. The global warming is now has become a major effect on humans. So the evidence that the humans are causing climate change, the change with the drastic consequences for the lives on the planet is overwhelming. But the question of what to do but about it remains controversial. Economical and sociology and politics are important factor in planning the future. The global conversation that began with a concern over warming has now turned to the broader term climate, preferred by the scientists to describe the complex shifts now affecting our planet's weather and climate system. Climate change encompasses not only rise average temperature but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife population and habitats, rising seas, and a range of other impacts. All other changes are emerging as humans add to continued heat-trapping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Countries around the world acknowledged to preventive to act on climate change with the Paris Agreement in 2015, making pledges to reduce the greenhouse pollution. The Intergovernment Panel on the Climate Change (IPCC), which synthesizes the and scientific consequences on the issue, has set a goal on keeping warming under 2 degrees Celsius (3.6 Fahrenheit) and pursuing an even lower warming cap at 1.5 degrees Celsius (2.7 Fahrenheit). Both of those targets are in jeopardy. Many countries are already falling behind on their pledge. According to a UN report issued at the end of the 2018, an emission level in 2030 needed to be approximate to 25 to 55% lower than they were in 2017. Previous research suggests that even of the countries to do meet their pledges to reduce emissions, those commitments won't be enough to stave off severe warming. Causes and effects of the climate change. I will ask you, what causes climate change, also known as a global warming? What are the effects of the climate change? Learn about the human impacts and consequences of the climate change for the environment and our life. Now Harshvardhan R with us will be explaining the what have we done to prevent this climate change.
So, I'm going to talk about the solution and what can be done. Addressing climate change will require many solutions. There's no magic bullet, yet nearly all of these solutions exist today, and many of them hang on humans changing the way we behave, shifting the way we make and consume energy. The required changes span technologies, behaviors, and policies that encourage less waste and smarter use of our resource. For example, improvements to energy efficiency and vehicle fuel economy increases the wind and solar energy. Protecting forests are all potent ways to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases trapping heat on the planet. Scientists are also working on ways to sustainably produce hydrogen, most of which is currently derived from natural gas, to feed zero emission fuel cells for transportation and electricity. Other efforts are at building better batteries to store renewable energy, engineering a smart electric grid, and capturing carbon dioxide from power plant and the other source with the goal of storing it underground or turning it into valuable products such as gasoline. Some people argue that nuclear power, despite concerns over safety, water use, and toxic waste, should also be part of the solution because nuclear plants don't contribute any direct air pollution while operating. While halting new greenhouse gas emissions is critical, scientists have also emphasized that we need to extract existing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. More fanciful ideas for cooling the planet, so called geoengineering schemes, such as spraying sunlight reflecting aerosol into the air or blocking the sun with a giant space mirror, have largely been dismissed because they may pose more environment risks than proven benefits. So I want to conclude that these are the only steps which have been found to make the environment towards a safe future. Thank you.